Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. You are watching EduHub. In this video, I am going to explain few important questions in permutations and combinations. Now, let us start the video. Our first question is the number of ways in which 8 rooks of the same color may be arranged on a chessboard given that they occupy only black squares and that they do not capture one another is. Now pause the video and try the solution. They given there are 8 rooks. I think all of you know what is meant by rooks in a chessboard. Rooks means something like we call it as an elephant. Now let us see the possibilities. Positions available for first row is, if you can see, there are 4 black places in the first row of the chessboard. So there are 4 possibilities in the first row. In second row also there are 4 possibilities because they will not capture when we keep in these 4 black spaces also. In the second row also 4 possibilities. Now when we see for the possibilities of third row, if the rook is here, then the rook cannot be here again in the third row. Number of possibilities will become 3. For third row, possibilities are 3. In the same way, due to second row, for fourth row also, possibilities will be 3. Now when we see the possibilities of fifth row, due to first row and also third row, in fifth row, there will be only 2 possibilities. In sixth row also, due to second row and fourth row, there will be only 2 possibilities. And in seventh row, due to 1, 3 and 5 rows, only one block will be there for which rook can be placed. So for 7th row only one possibility, and for 8th row also one possibility. Now total number of ways will be 4 into 4 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 1 into 1. That will be 576. So correct answer is 576. Now let us see the second question. 5 balls of different colors are to be placed in 3 boxes of different sizes. Each box can hold all at a time. In how many different ways can we place the balls so that no box remains empty? Pause the video and try the solution. Now let us see the solution of the given problem. So now let us see the possibilities. Case 1. 1, 2, 2. That is, it can be one ball in one box, 2 balls in other box, and again 2 balls in the other box. In this case, total number of ways will be 5c2 into 3c2 into 1c1, selection of 2 balls, selection of 3 balls, and selection of 1 ball. After after selection of 2 balls, there will be 3 balls left, and from the 3 balls we have to take 2 balls, and other ball will be, anyway there will be 1 ball and that will be selected, and these 3 can be arranged in different boxes in 3 factorial divided by 2 ways equals to 20 into 3 equal to 60. And now case 2, there can be 1, 1 and 3 balls in each box respectively. Now number of ways equals to 5c3 into 2c1 into 1c1. into 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Here we are writing like this because 5 balls, selecting of 3 balls, and after selecting 3 balls there will be 2 balls left, and that from the 2 balls we are selecting 1 ball, and again anyway 1 ball will be left and that will be taken into the other left box. This will be equals to 90, and so total number of ways will be 60 plus 90 equals to 150. So our option will be A. Now let us see the third question. Our third question is, find the number of ways of arranging the letters that is given in a row if the letters C are separated from one another. Pause the video and try to solve it. Now let us see the solution. Ignoring 3 C's, there are 12 letters to be arranged. So now let us arrange first those 12 letters, and number of ways in which these can be arranged is twelve factorial divided by 5 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. After arranging those 12 letters, there can be 13 gaps between those blanks. So C can take any of these 13. So number of ways will be 13p3 divided by 3 factorial. So total number of ways will be product of these two. 12 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 13p3 divided by 3 factorial. That comes out to be, so our option is C. Now let us see the fourth question. There are 20 persons among whom are two brothers. The number of ways in which we can arrange them around a circle so that there is exactly one person between the two brothers is. Now let us see the solution of the given problem. There are 20 persons in total. In those 20%, 2 persons are brothers. And one person is seated between them. Now let us see the possibility. Two brothers, let us take them as B1, B2, and here one person is there, and we have to arrange them in a circular table. Let us take these 3 persons as one unit. After taking these 3 persons as one unit, we will be left with 18 units. For placing 18 units in a circular table, number of ways to arrange them in circular table will be equals to 17 factorial. Now total number of ways will be 17 factorial into selection of one person between B1 and B2 from 18%, because B1 and B2 are already selected and there are 18% left, and that from 18% we have to select one person to be seated between B1 and B2. So 18C1 and B1 and B2 can be interchanged. So 2 factorial. That will be 17 factorial into 18 into 2 factorial is equals to 18 factorial into 2 factorial. So our answer will be D. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment if you have any doubts. Thank you.